And hi, hopefully you had a chance to go through and find those definition terms okay. Just to kind of finish this off, this is just a short video. So using what you just learned about properties, I would like for you to write five properties for each of the following using the terminology that you just learned. So if you were to identify a truck, whether it's one that you might be more familiar with than the picture that's here, but to come up with 5 such properties for each device using some of the terminology that we just used. So we're not really looking for color per se, but using color within the context of some of that terminology that we just talked about. So try to come up with 5 for each one, and pause the video and then come back when you're ready. Alright, so hopefully you had a chance to go through and identify a few different things. And so when we start to look at some of these properties, what we're starting to see is it malleable? So can it be bent? Or is it ductile? Can it be pulled into thin wires? Is it lustrous? So does it have a lot of shine to it? So as you're going through the characteristics and describing the objects that are here, keep those kind of characteristics in mind when you're listing your properties out. And it's not to say that you can't say that it has 4 tires, because that's a quantitative property. As well as saying that it's shiny is basically identifying that it has luster. Right? So you're trying to use those characteristics just in a different context in how you describe them. So with that, you should be ready to start the next section.